Hi friends! Welcome back to Decorate Your Life. Today we're sharing this cute pocket-sized traveler's notebook that can also be used as a journal. And we're holding the drawing for our Bunny Bakes and Pantry Tales paper pack giveaway. This pocket-sized traveler's notebook can be found in our Etsy and our website. Links to everything that you see here is in the area down below.
Cut and fold, a ribbon curl, a little joy in our crafty world. Paper dreams and lacy trims, let's create on heartfelt whims. From beaded pens to vintage fonts.
You guys really like the pocket-sized laminated traveler's notebooks that I made with our Summerween paper collection. We've completely sold out of those, but if you would like me to make some more, just let me know in the comments. And just like all of our traveler's notebooks, this one is pocket size as well, and it comes with this beaded pen and gold tone paper clip that doubles as a pen holder. Upon opening your traveler's notebook, you'll come across some of the cutest illustrations from our Bunny Bakes and Pantry Tales paper collection. Also, you'll find a credit card size clear pocket that you can use for your driver's license, ID, or whatever receipts or notes that you may need to keep on hand. My laminated traveler's notebooks come with 2 altered mini composition notebooks. You'll find that I not only altered the outer sides of these cute notebooks, but I altered the inside covers as well. I also adhere washi using double-sided tape. This way the washi doesn't come off upon use. I hope that you've enjoyed this pocket-sized laminated traveler's notebook flip-through. If you would like me to make some traveler's notebooks using some of my past collections, let me know in the comments. Scan my QR code and it'll take you directly to my website. You may use discount code SANDY15 to get an extra 15% off your entire cart. This coupon code is good on both my Etsy and website. And if you're shopping at my website, you also get free shipping on any purchase over $65. Now let's go to the drawing.
Cut and fold, a ribbon curl, a little joy in our crafty world. Paper dreams and lacy trims, let's create on heartfelt whims. From beaded pens to vintage finds, Sandy shares what she designs. With love and care in every frame, no 2 moments are the same. Decorate your life with colors blue and light, stitching joy in every page, from morning into night. Decorate your life where memories take flight, with shabby chic and whimsy sweet, it all feels just right. A little pen, a journal page, ideas bloom across the stage. No pressure here, just love and fun, and room for everyone. From handmade joy to crafty play, Sandy shows us a new way to make with heart, to dream and share. A little magic everywhere. Decorate your life with sparkle, thread and light. Find scrapbook, paper, strings and more at decorateyourlife.com tonight. Decorate your life, come join me, part be seen. Let's create with kindness in every little scene. And if you love what you see, leave a like and share with glee. Subscribe, comment, let us know what crafty dreams you'll start to grow. Decorate your life.